So guys, welcome back to the channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. And also guys, if you are a struggling trader and you want to learn how to trade properly, right now we are going to be offering this mentorship in a Patreon channel, in our Patreon channel, right? So if you have not yet followed our Patreon channel, I will be putting the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. So once you go and subscribe to the Patreon channel, so that we can, trade back to back. We'll be looking at trade. We'll also be going live, right? I'm going to be looking at every possibility, every aspect, right? We are also going to be going live weekly. So if you want to learn how to trade properly, right, subscribe to the Patreon channel. You will find the link, right? Subscribe to the mentorship that is currently going on. So now let's take a look at what markets will most likely going to give us this week on our GBPUSD. So GBPUSD is most likely going to be giving us a bullish move. There is a possibility that it will give us a bullish move this week. Now, why do we say that? First, we need to zoom it out and see the trend on what GBPUSD is currently giving us. You can clearly see that GBPUSD is on an uptrend move. It is very clear that GBPUSD is trending what? To the upside. We are very much trending to the upside. Now, guys, take a look at this movement right here. This is the first impulsive move, right? This is our impulsive move, and this is a pullback phase. This is what impulsive move, and here comes the pullback phase. So what we should just be looking out for this week is just a buy setup that will eventually give us that bullish move, which will be forming another impulsive move. So all what we are just going to be looking out for on GBPUSD is just an impulsive move. That is what we are just going to be looking out for, right, guys? So an impulsive move is what we are just going to be looking out for right now. That should push up and thereby take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting. A bullish move is what we should be anticipating for next on our GBPUSD. So guys, anticipate for a bullish move on GBPUSD. Now, if you take a look at this movement right here, this is a series of higher high and higher low, which market did play out, which is the impulsive phase. Then this is the corrective phase, which they did a series of lower low and a lower high. Now we are currently on the impulsive move, and this is one of the reasons why we are going to be anticipating for a series of higher high and higher low. So we are currently on an impulsive phase right now. Now let's go down to the daily time frame, guys. Now you can see right here, if you do it right, you can easily plot your trend line, right? This is it right here. You can plot your trend line. So this is first touch. This is also our touch again. Then here comes our touch, and this what's also a touch, right? So with this touch right here, we should be expecting market to bounce from here and thereby push up, and it should push up. So this is one of the reasons why we said a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on our GBPUSD. So whatever you want to be doing on your GBPUSD, you will want to be going for the buy. So you will want to be going for a bullish move right here. So guys, a bullish move is what we should be expecting. So we should be anticipating for a buy setup right now. Only going for the buy once you get the buy setup. Probably once the market opens on Monday. So guys, here's a potential movement that market will push up. Also, guys, take a look at something what market has done here. If you have to zoom it in, you see that market has given us a chart pattern, and guess what the chart pattern is? A double bottom. And you all know that a double bottom means a reversal movement. So it has been trending downward, right? Then we had this touch and a pullback phase. Now this is also another drop, which is our second touch, and now this is a push up, right? That eventually broke this our neckline, right? Now market has given us a little bit of a pullback. So our next movement on GBPUSD will be a bullish move that will continue to push on. So guys, a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting for the week. So guys, if you want to learn how to trade GBPUSD properly, you can subscribe to the Patreon channel. You will find a link to the Patreon channel in the comment section, because there we are going to be offering the mentorship, back-to-back updates and live section that will be going on. So in order for you not to miss out on that, subscribe and follow, like, share, and make your comments.